Monday, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I have 3 projects for you. I just put out a video yesterday, but I'm really trying, guys. I'm really trying to stay consistent. I'm trying to put out as many videos as I can. I'm trying to join in with as many collabs as I can. So I'm really working hard, guys. Okay, so this first project is a pillow. I love making pillows. I got a sewing machine for Christmas from my kids, and I made a real pillow. Now, I have a bunch of pillows put aside to use as inserts. Guys, this pillow here with when you make it like an envelope, that's the best way to do it, because you don't have to sew every little bit but the bottom. So look, see how I made it here? I made 2 flaps in the back. And I told you I went downstairs and sewed it on my sewing machine. See how it looks like an envelope? Usually I sew all but the little bit on the bottom, and then it's hard to get the stuffing in. It's a pain in the butt. But look, you just put the pillow in, and then you put the bottom in, and there you go. Now, the pillow that I had in the beginning was too small. This pillow here is too big. So what I do is I open up this pillow here and take some of the stuffing out. Look how pretty that looks. Now it's just a little too big. I'm trying to push it down and make it better, but it's not working. So I do take the stuffing out. And then I make some heart embellishments for the front. I don't have a video of that, but you know how to make a heart. Just put whatever you want on the front. And then here's my finished project. Project number 2, guys. Now, I saw this at Walmart. I went to Walmart yesterday to get some glue sticks, and I took pictures of a little bit of their decor there. So I saw this at Walmart, and I took a picture of it, like I said, brought it home, and I decided to make it my own. Now, theirs was a tiny bit different. But I used a canvas. I took this canvas that I had, and it's from the Dollar Tree, and I just painted over it in white. I used the plaster from Waverly. I bought a couple of those yesterday, too. I was trying to find the antique, and I couldn't find it. Now I'm using my new heat gun to dry it. Love this thing. I feel like a real crafter now that I have some of the tools. Now, I just wanted to show you how I did my design. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, guys. It keeps going blurry and not blurry, and I have to figure it out. I think I want to take some classes on, what is it, Skillshare? So when I'm making these hearts, I just duplicate. This way they're all the same size. And you don't have to worry about making sure they're all, And it turned out that when I put all these up there, it ended up being the exact size I needed for the canvas. So it worked out well. And again, I'm using my my Vinyl Ease transfer tape, which I love. And now I'm just putting all my hearts on my canvas, and you'll notice there's one spot missing, and that's going to be for the 14. And I put my 14 at the bottom of my page because I wanted it to be red. So I just put the red vinyl at the bottom, and then when I cut it, it cut the 14 separately. Look how cute that is. I think that is so cute. Do you guys think it is too? Okay, project number 3, guys, last but not least. Another item from Walmart. Took a picture of it, brought it home, and made it my own. Now, I just took a scrap piece of fabric that I had, cut it in a square, and I fringed the edges. I just took like a pin and I fringed the edges. Now, I got this design off my store on my Silhouette app, and it was 99 cents, but you know, you have a bunch of money added up unless you're like always buying designs, which I'm not. So I have plenty of money on my in my account. So 99 cents is like nothing. I actually probably need to buy some more designs. So I bought this, and this is not an iron-on. I'm just putting this vinyl right on this fabric, and it's sticking very nicely. As you can see what it looks like. Now, I did not take the inside of the heart out. I did not weed that out. I decided to leave it in. Now I'm adding the pole on the top. And then what I do after I put the stick in, I cut the bottom in a V shape. So it looks kind of like a banner, a flag, whatever you want to call it. So I had this stick in my scraps, and I just cut it to the size. And now I'm going to add string to the top, and it's going to be a cute little hanging banner. Look how easy that is. These crafts were so easy and fun to do. I just woke up this morning. I think I was having a dream about a craft. Because I woke up this morning just wanting to craft. And I put out a video yesterday and wanted to do another one today. So I'm really proud of myself. There you go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. See you soon.